Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out a white noise machine, and this is by Roffie. So that's the brand. So white noise machines, I don't know if you guys know much about them or whatever. I can't sleep really unless I have some white noise going on. If it's quiet, I hear every little thing in the house and it's just annoying and it keeps me up. So I have to have one of these to sleep pretty much. And so this one looks pretty cool. Here's the user manual on top here. So this one has several different sounds and volumes, it says, and different timers. You can set it for 30, 60, or just shut off when you shut it off. Has volume up to 75 decibels, it says. So that's pretty cool, and different sounds. Precise control, compact for travel. All right, so let's continue. This runs about $27 on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. So first things first, we have a cord, and this is USB to micro USB, and it appears to be probably about 3 feet long, just guesstimating here. I'll pull it out of the plastic there. All right. And well, I was hoping it'd have a little plug-in, so it's got a plug-in adapter for the USB here. And it comes with a nice package. It's the box had a little bit of a crumple here, but you could see that it's just surrounded by this foam stuff, so it's well protected here. All right, see if I can't dig that out of there. That's it for that. And we'll actually show you this, not just hold it in the bag. So it says it's compact for travel, and as you guys can see, it's fairly small. It's got a big speaker. The whole thing's up top. Here's a speaker. It's nice and kind of sleek looking. The bottom, it's got little rubberized or some kind of pads there, so it's non-slip there. That's pretty cool. On the back, we're looking at the timers. It has the micro USB port there, and it's got a little switch here in the back. It says 30, 60, and infinite for the time. Also has a headphone jack if you want to wear headphones while you're sleeping or whatever. All right, so controls. It has a down arrow on the front. It has kind of like a loop, a power button, and a plus and minus there for probably for the volume, I would guess. Also in the front here, it shows probably a little indicator of what it's going to be on when you press the different things. So it looks like a 2, 4, 6 different sounds. One's a fan, one's a little, not sure, maybe a forest, a ocean, rain, and a heartbeat or whatever. So pretty cool. Looking forward to kind of testing this out. Obviously, my unboxings, I guess, are a little bit different than other people's. I just kind of show you what's in the box, and then I do a review of the product later on. So when I do finish the product review, I do usually do a little test of it. You can hear it or whatever, and then kind of give you my thoughts on it. So I will, whenever I do a review, I put a link in the description below of the unboxing video. That way you guys can check it out if you want to, or if you just want to see the unboxing, you're like, nah, I'm not really interested in that, then there you have it. So I'll be checking this out. Thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. Please leave a like and subscribe. Any comments, I try to answer every single comment. So I appreciate you guys watching. Everyone have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.